Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring your Solana from Kraken to a Tangem wallet is a smart move for better security and control. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this with confidence and ease. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Kraken account set up and verified. Log in to your Kraken dashboard. It's the hub for all your crypto activities. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Funding section. This is where the magic happens for moving your assets out. Next, select Solana from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Kraken supports Solana transfers, but double-check for any updates in 2025, as platforms evolve quickly. Now, you'll need your Tangem wallet address ready. Open your Tangem app or hardware wallet, generate a new receive address for Solana, and copy it carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on Kraken, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Review everything twice: the address, the amount, and any confirmation messages. Hit that Withdraw button and confirm the transaction with your two-factor authentication for added security. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions take time, usually a few minutes to an hour, so keep an eye on your Tangem wallet to confirm the arrival. If you're new to this, check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site to track its progress. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets like Tangem for long-term storage to protect against hacks. And if you run into issues, Kraken's support is usually helpful. That's it for today's guide. You've just secured your Solana like a pro. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.